This is the real guava tree. You see the guavas? You see? Where is it? You see all of this? It's big. It's not small. So big. Look at this. Nice and soft. So sweet. This is real guava. Fresh from the tree. If you're from Africa, you already know this. You know how I feel. Africa is blessed. Yeah, there is a guava here. This one, I'm gonna pick it and eat it direct. Look at it. You look at it. I'm on top of the tree. I'm sitting on the branch. I'm gonna eat this. This is Africa. You see, we don't call even this backyard. This is a garden. There is a house, it's very far, and a garden. So this guava tree is in our garden. I'm gonna eat it. Let me take a bite and I show you. Whoa! Nice, sweet. Whoa. It's great. From the tree to my tummy. We don't wash this. We don't spray anything on our food. We eat it naturally. Wow.